All right, okay. It's March Madness, special edition. Spike Francis here. I just want to say I got a couple picks. I'm not going to go through the whole bracket here, but just want to say, really like Wofford. It's a lot of good kids on that team, good kids that play the game the right way. Okay. Also, we have here Colgate in Tennessee. It looks like an interesting matchup. I like Colgate. Brush my teeth in the morning with that. It's a good thing. Seton Hall lost yesterday. Sad. But, whole team was black, so, it's to be expected. But listen. Let me tell you something, Duke. I got Duke going a long way, because they got a lot of good. They got the coach. First of all, is a very good coach. Coach Mike Kachuk. He's a good guy, smart guy, knows how to play the game of basketball. But you know what? My final four is I'm gonna call it right now: Virginia, Cincinnati, Lehman College, and Lincoln Tech. And I got Lincoln Tech coming out of the field strong. They got a good Italian contingent over there, and I think that's going to be my bet there. So if you want to win with me, I would put all my money on Lincoln Tech. Also we have Bodega Boys University here in this bracket. I don't know where the fuck they're coming from. It's just these two Moulignans that do. I don't even know if they play basketball or not. So I'm gonna just leave them in there for an honorable mention because they're doing episode 152 right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and say do the drop there, okay? All right. Mero and Bronx, how you doing? Yeah, Mike. Can you just hurry the fuck up and do the intro, my nigga? Because we got studio time for only an hour and a half. So can you just hurry the fuck up, please? All right. You're an asshole. I'm gonna hang up on you. All right. Please have a great day. Do the drop.
Walden.
Man, you're just a jerk. Man, you're really just stupid. It's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
I was on 152. Oh, the most illustrious podcast in the world. Just an extension of the most illustrious brolic brand in the world. It's the Bodega Boys,
just
baby.
One of the tentacles. One of the tentacles of the fucking...
Just dangling like Hydra. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? It's all poisonous.
It's a pyramid. We're running a pyramid scheme. At the top, you know what I'm saying? You got the podcast, and it comes down. You got the visual art. Then you got, you know what I'm saying? You got Cyber Mondays coming. Then you got the Showtime show at the bottom. Boom. Bang, Thursdays at 11. You know what it is? Your boy Desus is nice.
You know what I'm saying? The camera on the motherfucking building, you cowards. You know what I'm saying? Real smooth.
Great podcast we have here as described in New York Magazine.
That's right. Apparently, top 100.
They said we rambled our way to the top. Which is true.
Which is true.
I'm not mad at that.
It's not mad. It's not wrong.
It's not mad. It's like, but there's an art to the rambling.
There is art. It's art. It's rambling with a purpose. It's not just rambling because listen, rambling can be taken out of context. There's a lot of people that ramble. You know what I'm saying, and they just don't get anywhere.
Right.
We ramble and we reach a destination. Woo! And we open your eyes on the process. You know what I'm saying? We
ramble the same way. I was gonna say we ramble like Southwest engines, but that's rattle. So
that's rattle. Yeah, that's right. That's true. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? For all you other niggas trying to take shots.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Not even.
You know what I'm saying?
We out here. It's another freeform podcast. We have no idea what it's going to be, but at the end, it's good.
Not a sauce is going to be delicious.
We high in the kitchen right now, just going through the cabinets.
You know what I'm saying?
Throwing shit in the pot.
Like, you ever fuck with cardamom?
I don't even know what that is. Throw it in there.
Hold that shit.
Whoa. Some cheese on some ramen. Woo. I might throw an egg in there, some scallions, Mexican onions. You know what I mean? And then I look and I'm like, yo, hot peppers? Why not? Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to throw hollandaise on this ramen. Nigga's going to be lit. Woo. Stupid.
Oof, getting hungry now. Chop Boys. The Fat Boys are back. Fat Boys couldn't exist today. It's a problematic term.
Yeah, that's right. Unless they were like,
but then they'd be corny because they do like mad body positivity raps and shit. Like, embrace my curves. Real men have curves.
Yeah. You might think that I'm morbidly obese, but I'm actually okay. My doctor says my BMI is only 5%.
When I get up, I get real sweaty. Look at my back, you know I'm heavy.
Hey.
Oh shit.
Okay. All right.
These are body positive raps.
Okay.
But when rap first started, you could get away with rapping about anything.
Oh yeah.
Because they've never seen anything like that.
I listened to Doggy Style the other day, and I was like, holy shit. I was like, okay, there's a lot of songs.
It's a doggy dog world. It's a doggy dog world. Now, see, Doggy Style, it's a good album,
Yeah.
And if I gave a fuck about a bitch, I'd always be broke. I wouldn't have no motherfucking endo to smoke.
You know what I'm saying?
That was my that was the valedictorian gave that as a speech at my college graduation. I was like,
that's funny because my valedictorian stole like the same idea, and he was just like, niggas be brown nosing these hoes and shit, taking bitches out to eat and spending money and shit. I tell a hoe like this, man, you like hell never without the blue nose, bitch. You never have, never will. You know what I'm saying? So the fuck up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Daz, let me get a motherfucking light, nigga. I was like, what?
and the best part, we're like in New York, so we was like, yo, I guess this is everybody in California.
Yeah, fuck it.
I was like, all Californians is drive-bys and traffic. And Jerry curls.
And rampant misogyny.
And then back then it was like so cool. It was like cool misogyny because like now if I think about it, remember there was like was it the Dre Day video or was like
when he pulled the Shorty's titties out?
Yeah. Back then you was like ha 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 ha. Like now you're like, oh, that's sexual assault.
Wow, that is literal sexual assault on video. Wow, holy shit.
Damn. Did anyone ever find that girl and like do an interview, like a deep dive?
I hope she has the internet, bro, because she could cash out right now.
She could. She could
cash the fuck out.
That's
right
great.
now.
That's someone's mother.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
That's somebody's grandma probably at this point. That was like 93. Like,
that's by Bronx standards, I think.
You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, true.
Yeah. Shout out to all my sexy Bronx grandmas just buying $500 worth of food at Western Union and House of Darion Jeans.
You know what I'm saying?
She'd bend over. I'm like, yeah. She turned around. She got the weave, but the weave still got a little gray because she's respectable.
Yeah, that's right.
Like, damn.
That's right. I'm not trying to hide my age. I'm proud of my age.
And you look at it, but you're like, damn. I'm sure she got all the snacks, but you know she got hella grandkids at home.
You know what I'm saying?
Can't smash.
She got all the snacks that'll give you diabetes.
And she's so young. You know her kids is like wild thotty, so she's watching the kids and shit.
Yeah.
Kids calling her by her first name.
She smoked weed.
Pam, I'm hungry.
She definitely smoked weed.
Yeah.
100%.
All the way. Got the she roll a mean blunt and shit.
You know what I'm saying? She's smoking in bamboos and shit.
Yeah.
Like, some old school shit.
You come over, she got like a blunt already in the tray, like kind of ash and shit.
Yeah. She's like, I started smoking that this morning. You know what I'm saying?
Left it.
You know what I mean? The kids was at school, so I was
she
like,
smoked all day, but still got like kind of a low tolerance if she go too hard.
She get a little loopy and shit.
She got mad pictures of the kids and shit. Yeah. She's wearing sneakers that are completely inappropriate for her age.
Oh, absolutely.
She's wearing Air Force Ones, but she's like 51.
And they're a size 3.
Yeah.
Every time, dog. Every time.
You're like, yo.
I never seen a young grandma with big ass feet.
No,
you know what I'm saying? Never.
Damn, shout out to all the young grandmas out there.
Yo, shout out to
all the future young grandmas. Y'all listening to this don't even know.
Yo, you don't even know. But you about to get pregnant right now. You pregnant right now, you don't even know. You about to find out your boyfriend's about to be like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You know what I'm saying? When you're like, yo, I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant. Terrible time to get pregnant. It's about to be summer. It's about to be warm. Niggas shoot up the club.
Man, fucking the whole summer.
She got you. That's what you go in your girl's room. She got like a new romper on the bed. You hear her talk. She tweeting shit about, yo, can't wait the summer. It's gonna be lit. Me and my girls, we going out. We go to Pizza Zoo. We gonna be all the day party. Then you know, yeah,
yeah, we lit.
But then you know what you got to do. You gotta be like, yeah,
yeah. Hold that uncut.
Yeah.
Then her tweets stuck on my nuts.
Then her tweets get all dark and shit. Like, I had plans.
Well, we were supposed to go to Coachella. I hope my friends have fun.
She still goes to Miami with her friends, but she got to be like the girl sitting down. And she got like the wild cover on the
drinking the Virgin Pina Colada and shit.
She's not as happy as the other girls, but she's like, I'm still here.
I'm still here rapping with my girls. It's just me and my girls, yo.
See, they said I couldn't still do it.
Yo.
And her girls secretly resent her because they got to walk a little slower, and then they got to bring her to like clubs and shit. She can't drink, so she's not really having fun. They keep checking on her and shit. Like, you all right? It's okay.
You're all right.
Next year, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, they're there for 4 days and shit. Like, by the third day, they're already laughing at the bitch. Like, this pregnant bitch.
And finally, she's like, fuck it. Once she keeps Googling, like, does alcohol really hurt a baby? How much alcohol hurts a baby?
Can I drink wine?
And on like the third day, she's like, nah, I looked it up. I can have 1 glass of sangria.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Because sangria is basically just wines.
And then when you come back, your baby come out P.O. Baby come out like, yo, what? Yo, the doctor's like, yo, your baby's not gonna be full size. It's like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Fucking man.
Shout out to P.O. yesterday. Yo,
the young god.
Can I get a clap for him?
Yes. One time.
The young god P.O.
Yes.
And this is an Emmy award-winning video on Instagram.
Yes.
He had to change the light bulb on his roof.
Yep.
And he did it alone. He almost died, but
You did that.
he did that. So shout out to you, P.O.
You know what I'm saying, mi presidente?
He even had the hashtag little problems. I was like, oh, damn.
Shout out
Also,
to
he
P.O.,
has a whole ass apartment.
Yeah, dog.
That's
wild. And it's
Shout out to him.
you know what's bugged out? Like watch it. Like I feel like how people say to us all the time, like, "Yo, I've watched you guys come like so
He's
far
come so
or whatever."
far.
Because I'm watching the videos now and I'm just like, "Oh, is that Givenchy?"
yeah. He be out there. He was hanging with James Harden on FaceTime.
You know what I'm saying?
He be out there cooking fish, washing the dishes. Like, my man is living the dream.
Yo,
So shout out to him.
he really out here, fam. Like, yo,
If P.O. can make it, anybody can make it.
anybody can make it.
All
you know
right,
what
what's
I'm saying?
holding you back?
You know what I mean? That man was shining shoes in the town square in the
Okay.
Dominican Republic.
P.O. got a kidney the size of a quarter, and
You
look what
feel
he's
me?
done with his life.
He's out here drinking mad rum, just smashing mad
Okay,
thotties.
and look at you. You're full size. You have all your limbs, and what are you doing?
What are you doing with
You're
yourself?
spending your day watching Pinot videos and leaving
Wow.
comments like, "Ew, nice baby."
Name, please.
And a nasty nigga like me.
No anal? Mad question marks. Says anal in subject. No misleading title.
mistagged.
Mistagged. Oh God, hip hop and Pinot is our wheelhouse, y'all.
Hip hop. Our trinity is hip hop. Hip hop.
West
Pinot.
Indian culture.
Hip hop. No, hip hop, Pinot, and Judaism. Victor in the house.
Hey!
Give it up. Give it up.
Hooray!
Gotta have Victor in the house.
He's
You know what it
here.
is, the young god. Yo, be sure to check out Us. Drops this weekend. Shout out to Key. Not Key. I was gonna say Key Appeal.
Shout out to
Jordan
Jordan
Peele.
Peele, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to
Yeah.
Chelsea Purdy and the baby who's beautiful little bow.
That's a very cute little baby.
Cute bow, baby. Come here, little bow. Come here, little bow.
That is the baby food.
Oh, baby, come on, little baby boy.
It's a good movie. Also, it's one of those movies you have to see.
Yeah.
Else you're not gonna know what the fuck people are talking about at brunch.
It's like Stars Born. Like,
Yeah.
how you talking about it? And I'm like, I feel like an asshole because I'm like, damn, I didn't watch this shit.
There is certain cultural moments now
Yep.
that it's forced on you.
Yep.
If you want to be relevant and be able to communicate in the zeitgeist, you have to watch these things.
You have to watch these things. you know
So
what
it's
I'm
like right now, Us and the documentary Theranos.
saying? Us, Theranos, and Us right now. Boom.
Yep. And Captain Marvel, did that drop? Is Captain Marvel a thing?
Yes.
Yeah. So you got to go watch those. That's appointment viewing.
You know what I'm
and
saying?
I mean, the problem with that is it becomes so important that you see these things. You can't possibly go to a movie theater to see it. So then you illegally watch it.
Damn.
You see that? The snake eats itself.
Yo, it's right.
It's dark.
It's right.
It's dark. But don't illegally watch our show on Showtime, please.
Nah,
pay for
please
it.
don't.
Yeah.
No. We're trying to get these checks.
Niggas got
Yo,
feed-
subscribe.
got kids to feed.
Yo, subscribe, my nigga.
Got kids
Yo,
to
if you
feed.
subscribe and you put in the, like, I know there's like a little comment, like leave a comment.
Yeah.
Be like, yo, put in all caps. I subscribe for Desus and Mero.
You know what we're gonna do when we redecorate this room? Everyone that subscribed, we're gonna write your name.
That's right.
A Sharpie on the
You know
wall.
what I'm saying? Yo, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it one step further. And if you do that, I will write your name on my hand and then whack a Gambino boss and then hold my hands up like this in court. And
Nice.
so you have your name on my
Nice.
hands.
Okay.
You feel me?
I was gonna say we could make tribute videos for them, but that's
That's
kind of
also like extra, like on a different scale.
That's too many videos.
Yeah. And who's taking these videos?
Just be puffing out dust after the fifth one.
Like, yo, I tried.
Got that puppy water.
Yo, here's a pube.
Also, the term puppy water is disgusting now that I have a puppy because
Yeah.
I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, but it makes sense because like
Yeah.
if you leave a puppy with a bowl all day, by the end of the day it's just like straight baba,
Yeah.
like straight drool.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, it'd be
What
like
is
that.
what is the female equivalent of puppy water?
Truffle
No,
butter?
they don't even get that. They just dry out.
Yeah, that's right.
They just dry out and then it smells like what's it called? Boar's head ham.
Yeah. It just smells like, yo, you just tore this shit up for way too long, player.
You ever spit in it and then it like sizzles? Like,
Yeah.
Like just dehydrate. Do you remember the episode of SpongeBob when they went to go visit Sandy and like they didn't cover themselves with the bowls of water, so they were while dehydrated. I don't need water. I don't need water. When you beating it up good, that's
Yo.
wow.
That's why you gotta drink water.
Wow.
Facts.
But also, ladies, drink a lot of water. You gotta be hydrated.
Yeah.
Everybody's gotta be hydrated.
I heard the whole gallon of water thing. I don't know if I could actually literally consume a gallon of water.
Well, the thing
and
is, the
actually
more
eat
water
food.
you drink, the faster you pee it out. But ideally, you want to drink enough water that your pee is like clear.
Clear.
You don't want to have any yellow
Yeah.
in your pee.
Yeah.
But I mean, like if you spend the night before like drinking 3 6-packs while watching the Knicks lose by 27 points, you know,
you're probably gonna be peeing Tang the next day. You're peeing straight Arizona the next day, like
you peeing crazy glue. The shit creeping down the side of the toilet very slow. You gotta use a scrunger to like move it along. Shit like you putting honey in tea, huh?
Yeah.
You wanna live that kind of life?
Oh my god.
Kidney like no mas.
No, stop.
Your kidney looking on Indeed.com like I can't live.
I can't do this shit, bro. Your kidney's on fucking Zillow. Like yo, I gotta find a new place to live, bro. This shit is a dub.
Kidney not even trying. Like nah, just go through. Trump fucking wildin'.
Yo, he don't care.
It's wild watching Trump. We are literally at a dinner party, and Trump is America's little badass white kid that's just running around breaking shit.
Say
and
whatever
nobody will check this little nigga.
Nobody will check him. Remember that stupid show, The Slap?
That's a wonderful show because you're talking about the remake. You got the original Australian version. So
fire?
good, so good.
Where's it available? Is it on?
It was on. There used to be an Australian channel that used to come on. They showed it in America.
What's the difference between
the acting's better, the scenes, like everything.
Because I'm like, yo, how you gonna base an entire season of a show on one slap?
Well, the thing is, you're looking at the slap from
and like the fallout of
you're
the
looking
slap?
at the slap from different viewpoints.
Okay,
from different people's viewpoints who have other shit going on. Like one person was like in the middle of an affair, so like they wasn't really like it's like yo blah blah blah. What happened to them like before the slap, after the slap? Does the slap even matter to them? So it was good. It was good.
Because I like as a parent, like I watched that pilot episode of that show, and I definitely recognize like those are stereotypical parents, like the two hippie parents that let their kid wild out. I'm like yo, I bump into those motherfuckers all the time. I'm just like. I mean, side eye, and I'm like, yo, keep your fucking kid in check, B.
I mean, go to any airport and you want to see a kid wild out. There's always like some toddler running up and down the ramp and shit, and a parent trying to catch them. But I mean, kids are kids. What do you gotta do?
That's true.
Kids are kids. You gotta let kid be a kid.
Yeah, that's true.
Kids could be a kid. Who's the tagline is that? Where a kid could be a kid? Is that Chuck E. Cheese?
Dun, 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 where a kid can be a kid. Damn, what is it?
Michael Jackson's house? Close the door. All right. Okay. We are fucking.
Oh shit!
Showtime. God bless you, David Nevins, you beautiful son of a bitch. Oh man,
Dave, yo, you gotta put in some movies. Stop playing. You got the juice. You got the juice.
No,
Dave.
you know what? The thing is, we're at the point now. It's not about asking other people to make.
Oh, we just gotta do it.
We gotta do it. So, what movie should we gotta remake? Killer Clowns from Outer Space.
Absolutely.
It's gonna be about clowns in the Bronx. Because you just gotta have that scene with some girls like you clown, like
You know what I'm saying?
like on the train calling him a clown.
Yeah,
for real.
but to take a page from the homie Jordan Peele, why don't we listen? If you have a great idea and you think we should be in a movie, pitch us.
Okay, that seems lazy. If we write it ourselves, do we get all that money ourselves?
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm not trying to share no shit.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
I'm on my
like,
Howard
pitch us an
Schultz shit. I'm
idea
trying to
and-
like stack.
No, you can come to the premiere. Like we're not gonna give you no money, but like you could like put your name on it.
Wow, we shout you out to the premiere. We'll bring you on stage.
Yeah,
There
you know
go.
what I'm saying? Like you can even have a credit. Like yo, this nigga did something.
All right, I got a horror movie idea.
Okay.
Shorty goes into McDonald's.
Okay.
Ain't no dollar menu.
I thought you were gonna say the McFlurry she was broken, but I was like, nigga, that's every day.
How
My
about
life
that?
is my
How about
life
that?
is a nightmare.
All right, here's another horror movie for you. You know what I'm saying? It starts off, Shorty, she scans the Metro card and it's like, swipe again.
Oh my god.
Swipe again.
What?
Swipe at this turnstile.
Oh shit.
She goes through. Oh. Train comes into the station.
Oh my god. What happens?
It's an express train. She gets on. Announcement.
This train will be making all local stops from
Boom.
149 to...
They're like, these are highly specific New York horror stories.
Conductor's like, I'm on this shit too, nigga. I'm like, yeah, you getting paid though, pal.
Shorty moves from Iowa to New York. She moves into a nice 1-bedroom apartment.
She calls the super.
Everything is working lovely. But then, what's that smell?
Huh?
She realizes she lives above a gyro shop.
Oh no!
She goes to work, they call her Gyro Girl.
Then the sequel. She's still in the same apartment. The gyro shop has moved. She thinks all her problems are over until her toilet clogs. And then she calls her Dominican super. And his response is,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Oh, New York Horror Stories. Six Edward. I remember New York Horror Stories. Like now that I think about it, a whole portion of my life was just trying to get the open bars.
Oh yeah.
And now that I go to open, like I was at the premiere for the Us premiere, the party afterwards, and shout out to Victor. Me and Victor were just sitting there like, wow, this is some work shit.
Yeah.
Like this shit is not fun.
Yeah.
Like nigga, we are at work right now.
Yeah, that's why I was just like, you know what? Pew. Excuse the Irish goodbyes, fellas, but I was just like, oh, call time 7 a.m. Pew pew.
Also, I don't want to be that guy. Like I know you guys, you've been Nobu, you've been in business for quite some time. I'm sure.
What do they have on deck
Your
to
little
eat?
menu is working out. Sushi.
That's it.
Nobu, you gotta offer a chopped cheese.
Come on,
Like
Or at least a chopped cheese roll.
or something.
You know what I'm
They
saying?
be coming through there like, would you like Kobe beef? I was like, nah, nigga. I was like, yo, you got American cheese? Put that shit on that
Kobe
shit?
beef.
Kobe beef?
What?
Don't want that shit.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to eat a chopped cheese, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck outta here.
I like it. I think the problem is sometimes you go to these Hollywood shits and they try to impress too much with the food. No,
Yeah,
bring
nah.
the food down.
Listen.
Dude, I want to go somewhere that got handy snacks, donut sticks,
Yes.
grilled cheese, a chopped cheese sandwich,
Yes.
and for vegans we have the
Donut sticks.
no, that's not vegan friendly. We got
It is.
pork rinds.
It's not?
Yeah.
Pork rinds? Yo, if you got vegan pork rinds, bro, I got questions. Like, yo,
It's
what,
just
are
written in Sharpie, vegan.
what are these made out of? They're not made out of pork.
It smells vegan with a J.
It's just styrofoam with like fucking lorries on it.
You love that shit? You love that? Put it in your vegan mouth, you nasty.
Yeah, you nasty little vegan.
You nasty vegan slut.
Yeah.
That's a very specific porn.
You nasty vegan slut.
Like, there has to be like a scene of her drinking juice or some shit?
They put a carrot in her butt. I'm gonna put a carrot in the butt.
The vegan nasty boys.
They just smash the shorty with mad raw vegetables.
Keto killers. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Eat those egg whites, mom.
You know some Pinos niggas put the panties in their mouth? They just put mad kale in their mouth and put it in shorty's church? Wow. I don't know, but I'm gonna just one for safety.
Shorty farting OD.
Like, yeah. Oh, yo, fart Pinot. I forgot
yeah.
about that genre.
I'm like, here, you have your one slice of cheese for the day.
Wow, fart Pinot.
Fart Pinot is good. I mean, like, listen.
Throw some fart Pinot on. Fuck it.
Listen.
He's like, yo, I got this shit on deck.
You know I got that shit on. You know I got that shit on deck. The greatest fart video ever.
Oh, yes. Classic.
Shout out to the goddess, Pinky.
Pinky.
Yeah, that was wild out. God damn. What was she eating? Nah. Your girl fart like that, you gotta break up with her. Yeah. She gotta have a ring before she could fart like that. That's like, you haven't even met my mother yet.
Oh, my God.
That's the kind of fart your girl sneaks off to the store to do.
Oh, my God.
That's, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout out to all my shorties out there that haven't taken a dump yet because you're still in the beginning parts of a relationship.
Yeah, let it rock. Let it fly, man. Let it fly. Fuck
You
it.
on the mass stress and shit. You're like, oh shit, I shouldn't have that Chipotle.
Listen, man. You gotta lay all the cards on the table, though.
Nah, but some cards you can't lay on the table like right away.
Some farts you can't lay on the
Yeah.
table.
I remember I was seeing one girl and she was like, I'm gonna just be straight with you. Like bipolar runs through my family and like around this age is when it manifests. I was like, what? I was like,
thanks.
I was like, hi, okay. I enjoy MP3s.
Call the
Like,
authorities.
I was like, okay, thanks for telling me. I was like, oh, you think we having a relationship?
Oh, nah.
I was like, yo, ma, it's May.
Yeah, nah.
like-
you know what time it is.
You know what it is.
We're not starting this shit in the summer.
Like, you might get a message from my phone saying I died in June. You know what I mean? My deepest condolences. I died from a suicide.
Yo, sorry. Bye.
Sorry, gotta go. Please don't hit me up. There's no funeral.
Yo, I jumped out the window right now.
Oops, gotta go. You know what? It's summertime.
Yeah, summertime, bro.
Summertime.
Sometime to be dirty, niggas.
You know what I'm saying? The weather reports are outside. The temperature smells like single.
Hey.
You're like, oh shit. Time to go, guys.
She said, Papi, you
Leave your
single?
coats and your boo at home. You're like, oh shit.
It's funny because the slang word for smashing
in Dominican vernacular is single. So if you ask me if I'm single, I'll be like, see, you're single.
Nah, this nigga got all types of loopholes.
Yeah. It's in the Constitution, man. It's like, yo.
This nigga's representing himself in the court. Wow.
It clearly states in Statute 1088, Section B.
Dominican men are sovereign citizens of monogamy. He's like, what? Monogamy? It does not apply to me, sovereign citizen. I'm just visiting. Oh, shit. Tristan Thompson weather.
Yo, Yo.
He's like, what?
You need the elephant man. Yep, right there.
Good to go.
Good to go.
Be like, yeah, I got a baby and she got a baby, but that's not our baby. You know what I mean?
Saying? Like, that's my baby sometimes. It's her baby sometimes.
Nah.
It's like the bike we had in the garage. Like, sometimes it's yours, sometimes it's mine.
We doing ride share with the baby.
You feel me?
You know what I mean?
This your baby's a zip car, no motherfucker.
Why you bringing up babies? Babies got bad vibes. That's my baby. It's not my baby.
Oh, shit.
I don't really know that little nigga like that.
Oh, shit.
Nah, if you got a baby, you know, take care of it this summer. La Marina's closed, so
yeah, man.
Stay home with your family, man.
You got plenty of time.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Unless you want to go to May to Mexico.
Niggas just looking at mad festivals like,
damn, bro.
Nothing's worse than Googling a festival and be like, can I bring a kid? No, you can't bring a fucking kid to Governor's Ball. What's wrong with you?
You can't bring a fucking kid to fucking Que Lo Que, nigga.
Can I bring a kid to Pizza Zoo? They're like,
no,
if he got a ticket.
Yeah, I mean, the only kid that ever go to Pizza Zoo is Pio, nigga.
We're going to have a special Pizza Zoo for kids. Straight hookah, same amount of alcohol.
Same amount of alcohol.
And nothing changed.
Just mad hamster balls so they don't hurt each other.
Mad thotty infants and shit. Selfie.
Oh, shit.
All we doing is playing the Peppa Pig song and
Peppa Pig
and fucking Baby Shark over and over and over. We tweet that out because it's like, oh shit. Baby Twitter's like, oh shit, we lit.
Oh shit, we lit, yo.
Oh, we going there.
They start really rocking and shit. Like, yo, who all going? They start threads, mega threads.
Oh.
Yo, I got 2 tickets, yo. I can't make it because I got daycare.
Baby Pizza Zoo is sold out. Niggas like, oh
damn.
I shouldn't have taken nap time. Oh,
I should have skipped my tumbles class.
No, you don't got no more tickets. I was doing tummy time. Oh.
Baby Pizza Zoo.
Baby Pizza Zoo. Special soft pizza for those of you with no teeth. It's mad teeth and rings and shit.
They got blenders and shit to throw pizza in.
Half the babies just crying for them. They're just cranky and crying. They gotta stop halfway through. Everyone gonna take a nap.
Yo,
I know who's gonna sleep good tonight. Just mad parents picking up the toddlers.
Baby watch Rocco Fanny and shit fight another baby in the lobby.
That's my fire truck.
Fuck out of here, nigga. Nah,
I'm Chase.
Nah, nigga.
I'm Chase.
I'm fucking Chase. Fuck out of here.
I'm Chase.
You stupid. Yo, fight me. I'm fucking stupid. I dare you. Yo, Ma, get the fuck out of there. This nigga trying to play me. He's trying to play me. He said, I'm Chase. I'm Chase.
Oh my God, he has a Lego in his hand. He has a Lego in his hand.
He has a Lego. Call the police. Hey, what's going on in here? What the fuck is going on in here?
That baby's drunk. Has a Lego.
Whoa. Sir, put the weapon down, sir.
Fuck.
Sir, sir, put the weapon down.
Sir. Nigga really shot a baby. Niggas looked at me crazy like I really shot a baby. All a baby is a young human. And if so facts so, niggas get shot every day.
Listen, I know that we're against violence against women. Obviously, that's a given.
Yeah.
If you were a woman and young MA had beef with you, would you scrap with young MA?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
And she's young. So you know what I'm saying? So ipso facto, you could just scrap with anybody young. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on, you know what I'm saying, your level
Why
of
wouldn't you
aptitude.
just use the example of Little Baby? Why would you use your MA?
Little Baby, because
that's so convoluted.
Yeah, it was, but I didn't even think of Little Baby because that nigga's not even on my radar because all that nigga does is say wah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
bitch and Little Baby.
Wow. That's right there. That's so convoluted. Like,
that's a layup.
That's so convoluted. You could write that as a Hollywood script and everyone would say it's great. And that's all I'm gonna say on that. Shout out to my man Mero over here. More chains than Fort Knox.
You know what I'm saying?
Over here, you know what it is. Little like jewelry.
Little something, you know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Like Talib Kweli say, like slaves on the ship talking about who has the biggest chains.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's like Cameron says, tradition. We used to rock whips and chains. All I rock now, whips and chains. You feel me? So when you see me pulling down Fordham with multiple chains on, with the Lambo with the doors up, you know what I'm saying? Calling everybody a thotty, regardless of gender.
Remember? Oh, they don't got the.
Oh shit! Is this type beat?
I think so. I think so.
Is this the genre known as type beat?
Oh.
All these things. I got one message for all you type beat niggas.
Relax.
Put the FL away. Put the FL down. FL Studios not for everybody, B.
Nah, you gotta
You know
have
what I'm
the
saying?
FL Studios.
You need it. You know what I'm saying? But some of that shit you don't export.
Wow, it's so
Keep it in the app. Keep it in the program.
So disrespectful. Shout out to everyone making their little beats on GarageBand.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. Shout out to Polo the Don for finessing the entire industry for like a hot summer with that.
Hey,
You know
he
what
was
I'm
doing his thing.
He was doing his motherfucking thing. Yeah. He wanna make love in his club. In his club.
I mean, you know. Oh, I got to plug. Shout out to Donovan, who has the new track these days. I don't know if you guys remember Donovan.
When we was at the Bodega Hive Studios.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what
Back
I'm saying?
when our podcast was ashy and homeless.
You know what I'm saying?
And because Red Bull Studios was closed for a month.
You know what I mean? He took us in and gave us weed.
We were fucking wilding, and we just went to somebody's random apartment and recorded a podcast.
We could have been dead, but
we
not.
could have been murdered.
You know
They could have sodomized us and made us a human centipede,
You know
but
what I'm
no,
saying? But,
they did not.
You know what I'm
So
saying?
we thank him for that. So
Thank
check
you.
out his song, and you know what the best part is? The shit's not whack.
You know what I'm saying?
Because if the shit was whack, we wouldn't promote it.
Nah, not at all.
We don't promote whack shit.
You know what I'm saying? Shit is fire.
That shit is fire. You
Fuego,
can trust
fuego,
us.
fire,
We're not at the point
fire.
of our career where we can promote whack shit, but
You know what I'm saying?
this is episode 152. I think by episode 175, we're going to be sponsored by MyPillow and buildthatwall.com. Mm-hmm. Can't wait for that. Shit's going to be fucking great.
BuildThatWall.com.
Buildthatwall.com.
So the My Pillow dude is supposed to be like the wild like Trump whisperer.
Oh, he's not the wild Trump whisperer. He is
not?
the only Trump whisperer.
Who is it?
The guy, the
MyPillow guy.
MyPillow guy.
Oh, really?
And he was like doing curls heavy before he made My Pillow. And, like,
Yeah.
I think like God told him to make it.
He's from Minnesota, so shout out to the soda.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Home of Big Scantron. We on to you.
Ew.
How are you the only test score cards
It's a
that
monopoly.
people use?
That's
huh?
a monopoly.
How did that happen?
It's a monopoly, God.
Huh? What is the second company that makes
Keep it third eye
cards?
open.
Huh? You don't ever hear about it. It's always Scantron. It's always
Yeah,
Scantron.
yeah, yeah.
And you think we don't know you're in cahoots with
Uh-huh.
number 2 pencils?
Huh?
They're number 2. What happened to number 1?
Huh?
Why
Why-
is the
why-
number 1 pencil number 1?
What about number 3?
Huh? Answer these questions.
Huh?
Sorry, I feel very passionate about this. Also, why are we still using pencils and pens?
Why facts? Why can't we just mentally project, you know what I'm saying, our thoughts into the computer?
Yeah.
Into the mainframe.
We could vote for American Idol using our phone. Why can't we vote for a president like that? Huh? President Ruben Studdard 2024.
Wow, imagine. Imagine you could just have, fam, if we did that, oh my God.
That shit would be a mess.
If you did that, I think Travis Scott would be president.
If you did that, well, I know I'd vote for Tiana Trump. So,
Oh, it's true?
yeah, she get my vote. Did you see she had the wild picture yesterday?
All you bitches got to offer his pussy. And everybody's just like,
I mean, the picture with her with the Lance Stephenson jersey.
Oh, word?
It sounds like my man Lance Stephenson, shout out to Brooklyn, piped down one Tiana Trump.
Shout out
allegedly.
shout out to the Lincoln.
Allegedly,
Lincoln Real Splitters.
You know we are never messy over here.
Okay.
But it sounds like, he gave her a little bit of that. Yeah, he gave her a little bit of that pastry shit. Also check out Tiana Trump's new black scene.
Oh, yeah? It's
Fuego.
Fuego?
You know what? I always figured you gotta be a pretty nasty nigga to recommend porn scenes, and well, guilty as charged.
Yeah, hey.
But at least I'm not like doing the share to my social media feed.
That's wild. That's wild.
Put that shit on my Facebook.
That's
like,
wild.
D, my
I don't
aunt
even
looking
know,
at the shit.
Why would you even offer that as an option?
You gotta listen.
You must give
Remember,
no
what is the
fucks.
Jules Santana verse? He's like, I'm young and I'm living a crazy life.
Yeah.
Crazies are able to slur.
Yeah,
I've been
yeah.
letting it slide a little bit. I'm trying to get it out my
For
vocabulary.
context.
But no, fam, you are a wild boy
Yeah.
if you are sharing Pinot links in front of your general family.
Nah.
Also, your family is wild if they're just letting you slide with that.
Yeah.
Just
Nobody
see in the
say shit.
comments like, Clarence, we can see this.
Like, something. Like, you serious? Like, your sister something like, you dead ass? Like, fam, I know you live by yourself
And
in
it's
Montana.
always like the worst porn too. It was like big gaping hole, man spits it.
Oh, yeah.
Spits in pink balloon knot and swallows it afterwards. And underneath is like, look at my new grandkids photos.
The butt juice be looking like fucking like Yoo-hoo.
The picture, the avatar, the picture that the person that shared the Pinot, they always got like the wild correctional facility glasses and shit. Look like, yeah, Uncle Ben's in the living room, so you stay in this room.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You know what happened last time. That's why you walk funny now. What's wrong with you? Told you don't go near him.
Oh, God.
He hears the voices.
Yo, stop. Damn, man. You got to have fucking balls, man. Like, listen, I feel like...
But I mean, I guess some people in your family, I guess they just don't give a fuck.
That's true. I mean, I
Yeah.
feel like you get to a certain age and you're like, yo, I don't care.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not getting cheeks. I got to watch Pinot. Like...
That's true.
You know what
I
I'm
always
saying?
think about that when I see like older guys. And when I worked in like when I worked in the booty shake clubs, and older guys would come in, I was like, damn. Because some of those guys, they wasn't like paying for the children. Not that any place I ever worked had any kind of prostitution going on. How dare you? But yeah, I was just like, damn, like these niggas, they still beat their meat.
Yeah.
And that's a whole project because it probably take them all day to get the shit up.
All day.
At that age, beating your meat is like replacing a bridge. Like
you need like scaffolding around your dick and shit.
You gotta float the next one over.
There's a guy with a slow stein.
Hey, everyone, turn your phones off. We're demolishing the bridge in 30 seconds.
Right?
You got 10-10 winds with the helicopter floating over.
Yeah,
and shit.
we got the suspension cables in place. We're ready to go.
And now imagine you get it up, and then like as soon as you start beating your meat, and it's just like here, like, hi, it's Jehovah's Witnesses. And you're like, oh shit, now you gotta go over there. You got the chub, you might lose it, and now you stand up and you're winded because all the blood went to your meat instead of your head because you're old.
Yeah.
It's a dangerous situation. You could fall.
Now you dizzy.
could fall out, hit your head, and die.
You know what I'm saying?
You die with a half chub with your pants down, and your family knew it because why? You were sharing Pinot on Facebook anyway.
That's right.
And now niggas gotta try to say they gotta say nice things about you at your funeral, and everyone's talking about like you served in the military, you were a good grandfather, whatever.
You know what I'm
and
saying?
then I show up with a Bluetooth headset, and I'm like, this nigga was beating his meat.
Yo, this nigga was watching Tiana Trump when he perished. My God.
This nigga beating his meat in heaven.
To this day.
Out of respect, I throw like a Wet Booties #9 DVD in your casket. Look at his casket, feeling sarcastic.
I'm like, yo, I'll throw a flashlight in there for the guy. Like, yo.
Swear to God, I won't beat this dead nigga's meat.
You know what I'm saying?
How come was the people not the Undertaker? What are the
Necrophiliacs?
No, the people who take care of the bodies after.
Morticians.
Yeah. How come they don't? Can you be like, yo, give me the wild chubby?
You could.
Yeah.
I mean, like, listen,
you already got rigor mortis, right?
Yeah, like-
I want to have like the wild, like chubby, and niggas gotta like, because you know how they got the drop top caskets. Is it drop top? Like they got the one that could open half, and then they
like
got the one
half.
that open once.
Yeah. The half one is popping though. Like,
You know how right now everyone going crazy with the transparent like shoes and shit.
Yeah.
We got to come out with a like fully transparent
For
casket.
casket?
Yeah, so you can see everything. And we put a Nest camera in there, and you have an app so you could watch your loved one decompose
in real time. Yo, stop.
You're like, yo, you want to buy worms or not?
Yo, low-key, that's like a cottage industry. You could be like, yo, you could have a worm that was eating
There
your
is
grandpa.
a white family right now that would love to watch Mima decompose.
Yo.
That could be like a science
You know what I'm
project. or
saying?
some shit
And then
like
they get one of the worms that was eating her and keep it as a pet. And it's like, this is a
What was
memory.
that store we were by with like the really high expensive the children's place?
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be an educational toy.
Yeah.
Watch Mima die.
Yo, watch me.
You look at the side, it's like, kids, it says grandma gotta be dead.
This is science.
Your little badass kid is like, no problem. No problem, that bitch had it coming.
Yo. Oh, my God.
All right. No spoilers, but in Us, when they conjure the spirit of Rosa Parks, that was a bit much.
Yeah, that was a lot.
And then she came back, she was doing the Millie Rock. I was like,
Yeah.
Like-
I didn't understand. Like, I know that there's
he
layers
took a
to
lot of
shit,
liberties with that shit.
but I don't understand what that layer meant. You know what I'm saying? And also, like, like the whole Harriet Tubman shit, like, I was just like...
Why would Harriet Tubman, she's freeing the slaves and she turns around and goes, what are those?
Yeah.
I was like, that, okay.
I was like, okay, I understand this
The
is a
white people in
black
the theater
woman.
love that shit. I did not like that.
They love that shit.
I don't like that shit. That shit, it seemed out of place.
Yeah, it did. But, you know, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? My man's finding his footing. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Like,
yeah.
you know, third time's the charm. Hopefully the third one is like, you know, first
Third
one was
one makes,
great.
second one,
You know what I'm saying? But sophomore slump, but then, you know, third one,
He
knock it
had
out the park.
Blueface playing Malcolm X.
That was wild.
That was
really wild because he didn't even bother to like do makeup over the tattoos or anything like that.
It was pretty. It felt like it was pandering just to a younger base. Yeah. And then at the end, remember when Bob Saget's family got chased by the ghost, and then the cop that came was Ray Parker Jr. And I was like, oh, I get it.
It makes sense.
Like that's not impressive, Jordan Peele. And he was like, I ain't afraid of no ghost, and I was like, oh, I get that reference. But everyone that's like 21 was like, I don't know what that means.
Then the ghost crashed the car, and he's like, did I do that?
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
I was like, oh, I get it. So, you know, otherwise, it was a good movie.
Yeah,
it's a good movie.
Yeah. As far as like nostalgia and shit like that.
I like that part. You know what I'm saying?
It's good. But yo, go see it. You know what I'm saying?
See it.
Don't let us judge it for you. Go see it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Come to your own conclusion.
When Zendaya was like Thundercats and by the Eye of Omen sight, give me sight.
But yo, not for nothing, she did look a lot like Lionel with the hair.
She did.
Yeah,
they didn't have to do much for her. Yeah. Oh, by the way, spoilers. These are spoilers for us, in case you didn't. I should have probably said that in the beginning.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Sorry.
Those some spoilers. Nope.
You still be able to enjoy it.
Yeah. You gotta have a great time. You know what I'm saying? I know you're probably watching the video right now, like.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
But you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into other topics.
We gotta do So Plain 2, and it's just a remake of the Denzel movie. Like everyone's like, stop flipping the plane.
Hey, cuz.
Whoa! You got too much dip on your chip. That's the control tower. Like, hey, you got too much dip on your left wing.
Just have like E40 and like fucking first class, like, why you niggas doing all this motherfucking turbulence? The arrows was out of my motherfucking socks. You making me shake my dreads involuntarily, nigga.
E40 is the air traffic controller. It's like, we're running out of fuel and we do not have an airport near us. Copy. How should we proceed?
He's like, what you gonna need to do is refuel, nigga. You need some petroleum in your motherfucking socks, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Copy. Understand.
And shake them dreads. Shake them dreads.
This is needed help for.
Shake them dreads. Hey, shake them dreads for kinetic energy.
We're gonna try to land at Viejo Airport. Is that a good spot?
Listen, just land in the bay. You know what I'm saying? You'll be all right. Yo, hey, listen, man. I got a runway that's longer than the neck on a flamingo. You know what I'm saying? So
E40 air traffic controller coming to BET. E40's played by fucking
Anthony Anderson. Yeah, shout out to homie Anthony Anderson. That nigga's a storybook, me.
Oh man.
My man got stories for days, nigga. I was like, yo, I remember you on City Kids, nigga. Damn. This shit goes back.
Yo, man, was the classic Thespian and Kangaroo Jack.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, I can't wait to make a movie like that where people mention it. I'm like, I didn't.
Yeah,
you're like, I didn't even need the money that badly.
But I did it.
Wow,
I was greedy.
Wow.
I really wanted that new Lambo.
What happens when a Jamaican falls in love with a panda? It's Jesus and Ling Ling. I'm like, Victor, why would you let me sign this?
The check.
Llévalo cheque.
He's like, nah, it's gonna be big in China. Shit grosses like 400 mil overseas and shit. They're like, you gotta do part 2. I'm like,
yo, you already know.
Nah, I'm not doing it. Not doing it again.
Nah, you got to.
Like, man.
And then you drop the debut, and all the kids is like,
when one hits like that, the tickets for 2 are already sold.
Yeah,
I know.
Facts. You got to come and shit with the shit built in.
Jay Prince.
But then I want to get about
too hard to cheat ourselves.
But then I gotta get on my Jordan Peele. I don't want to do Jesus and Ling Ling anymore. I want to do a horror movie. Take me seriously. They're like,
nigga CB's like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
oh.
She'd be like, yo, I got a gun on my desk. Can you hold that script up for me?
Coming this summer. I come home, I'm like, and Ling Ling's like, I'm like, twins?
Oh, whoa.
Come here, Jesus and Ling Ling too. You got show me with like 2 panda babies hanging from my chest and shit.
Nah, you know what it is though? I think I got him to do it when I finally realized your dream of having an Egyptian play in like one of those family type movies.
Yeah. Tightest hole I ever felt in my life. Like,
okay.
This summer it's twice the fun.
Yeah. Tightest hole you ever felt in your life.
I'm like, Choo Choo, get over here.
Oh my God.
I'm so frazzled from twins.
Niggas be doing the reviews and shit like.
You know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Still makes 300 million.
Off top.
Ling Ling! Yo, Ling Ling!
1 billion worldwide.
I walked down the street, niggas like, yo, panda fucker! I'm like, nah, like, come on, man, with my kids.
So you gotta go to China, niggas is touching you like, oh, blah, he's a black man.
Black man fuck panda.
Black man from Panda movie.
Black man. He fuck panda. I'm not, there's more to the movie. There's like a script. You know what I'm saying? There's like a romantic development.
It's character development, even with Ling Ling.
The Ling Ling's played by Scarlett Johansson.
Come on.
Oh, shit. We got Daniel Caesar on the soundtrack. Come on, y'all. Like, why are y'all be problematic with pandas? Who? Oh, Daniel Caesar.
For real.
Homie.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Damn. Gotta relax, my guy.
Yo, you wildin', my
You
nigga. Yo, let me tell you. Yo, listen. As a 35-year-old man with 4 children, I'm gonna tell you this.
Speak on it.
Look, if you are under the age of 30, do not get drunk and go on Instagram Live. Do not get fucked up. Take it from me. I done did dabs and fell asleep as a grown-ass man on Instagram Live and embarrassed myself. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it to yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
Public service announcement.
Do.
You know
One to learn on.
You know what I mean?
One to learn on.
See, feel me? Follow my motherfucking advice. One day, YouTube may be on.
It's showtime.
You know what I'm saying? Get in his bag, nigga. You know what I'm saying? With all access to all March Madness events, all I got to do is make a phone call.
Oh, man.
Already got my kids fucking designated to go to fucking UNC.
All right.
They already committed? They already committed.
No, IG Live is the devil. Because people get... listen, there has to be a filter between... I know you want to go directly to the people.
Yeah.
It's a bad combination. You got to go through like your press. Shout out to Sherry.
Yeah,
the Moisture God. You know
what I'm saying? A Vino gang.
A Vino gang for days. But not like, because they know, like, you might think it's a good idea. Like, take, for example, Jess Hilarious. She thought it was a good idea to, I don't know, confuse sheiks and Muslims and brag about it on the thing. And see, that's the kind of video you send to your PR person, and they're like,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
you know what I'm saying?
Stop.
Like, don't post that. Just post your show date. Post that on your Finsta, nigga. Also, some shit, like, you don't really need PR to know it's a bad idea.
You feel me?
You know, like, think about it. In your head, there should be a flowchart. And it's like, hey, there was just like a mosque shooting a couple days ago. Let me post this video mocking Muslims.
Yeah.
Something in your brain should be like, yeah, not so much.
No.
Not so much.
Yeah. That's why you, like you said, you need PR people to be like,
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
But then here's the also thing. What exactly does it mean to get canceled? Because everyone that got canceled is still out here chilling.
it's still HO?
I think getting canceled is like, you know, when you play Super Mario Brothers.
I think like it's you know what, like
when you play Super Mario Brothers and you're big
and you, go
and you
little.
run into like the turtle and then you like little and you're kind of flashing for a little. You're still good.
You're still good.
You're not big no more.
You're not big no more.
Still good.
But you're still good.
Yeah.
And you might fuck around in like level 2, hit another mushroom, and now you're big again.
Name someone got canceled and is like gone for good.
R. Kelly.
He's still out here cooking.
He's still out here cooking.
He's in jail right now.
No, he's out.
He? He's back out.
He's out. He just did a video for not that kind of video.
He's out.
He's not that kind of video. Not that kind of video.
Yo, for real, hide your kids. R. Kelly's he's on the loose.
Yo!
Hide your kids. Your wife is good, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, R. Kelly, he just dropped a video for his daughter.
Birthday to you.
To who?
His daughter.
Happy birthday.
I thought it was one of his
to
girlfriends.
you. Happy birthday, dear daughter Joan.
Oh, I thought you said dear daughter, like I don't know your name.
He was buying time. He was buying time.
Listen, I'll be like, why do you can't see your daughter singing that shit for
Harvey
real?
Weinstein.
You gotta
Harvey
do that
Weinstein
shit.
done.
Harvey Weinstein. He's not in jail though.
No, he's not in jail.
He's not in jail. Nobody. The only person that got canceled and like canceled for good is Hitler, I guess.
I guess, yeah. And
Not Hitler. White supremacists still bang with Hitler.
That's true. And people still bang on Michael Jackson.
What about, remember that guy, Knick Knack Paddywhack or whatever, the guy that used to dance and shit, and then they found the videos of him saying the N-word? Dan?
Oh, the dude that didn't talk?
In the green polo? That dude?
Yeah, he would like dance and like.
And he was with the, oh, baby.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, okay.
Remember, he said the N-word.
He's not black? I thought he was black.
No, he's like a white or some shit, and like he just grew his gray. But he was supposedly canceled. He's still out here. He's like on Wildin' Out and shit. He's cooking. So,
shit.
So no one gets canceled. No one. Who?
Wait, who?
Bill
Cosby.
Bill Cosby got mad
There we go,
soups
Victoria.
in jail. Okay,
Yeah,
that nigga not
nah.
canceled. That nigga, right now, Bill Cosby got a cell block cracking up.
That's true.
Going,
But-
giving mad niggas Zerberts and shit.
But Bill Cosby got canceled. Like, there's levels to cancellation, right? Like, if niggas get mad at you on Twitter,
He
like,
didn't
you're not
get
gonna get
canceled.
canceled.
There's a difference between getting canceled and getting convicted.
Yeah,
There's
you know what I'm
different.
saying? Like, that nigga was
Okay?
on Time magazine
Okay.
cover, like every magazine cover, every
Okay?
newspaper.
A judge
like,
can cancel you for real.
like, Yes Jules is not gonna be on time.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
you say that now.
You know what I'm saying?
You say that now.
Like, yo,
I can't wait to see that cover where it's just like, it's just her face. It's that like, you know, that close up they do, and then it's just like the little tagline is, "It's a vibe."
it was a vibe.
How one lady's changing the music industry forever, and it's just like her with her bad time. Yeah, still coming, baby. Still coming.
To this day.
Cause think like people get canceled. Sheck West supposedly is canceled. You still hear Mo Bamba.
Yeah. Come on, man. Also, I feel like, yo, if a kid is 15, 16, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, maybe shut up. You know what I'm saying? Like, and a lot of people don't have, like you said, like a lot of people don't have people around them to be like, yo, chill.
Didn't he beat the brakes off some girl? Though?
Yeah.
I'm not even like trying to be funny style about it. Like,
Oh, is that what he did?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he
so.
just said some stupid shit.
No.
at you.
I think he did something terrible.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh,
I mean, I don't want to say this on camera, but it seems that Mero is siding with abusers.
no, I don't know what the nigga did. I thought he just said some dumb shit like, yo, stop being mean to white people or some stupid
no.
shit.
And
Nah, that was
I don't
dancing.
know that it's true because I didn't like really read up on it. But
Yeah,
that's what I heard.
there's like video and stuff like that. So
Yeesh.
canceled. We do a new show called Canceled, and we just let people know. We be like, yo, you've been and we bring like 3 people on, and people call in who they want to get canceled that week. And at the end, we're like, you've been canceled.
Yeah.
And they like drop down a hole or some shit.
Just rejoicing in their misery, like,
You've been canceled.
you've been canceled, trash bag.
I guess so. Cancel culture.
Yeah, I mean,
Cancel culture.
that's like a double-edged sword because it could be like it's like a cool thing and also like people use it as like a pejorative. You know what I'm saying?
What? Oh yeah, I mean,
Yeah. Edgelords use it as a pejorative.
Edgelords.
Did you say Edgelords?
Yeah.
That's like a very Reddit
I feel like
thing.
this more so belonged to the Tiana Trump section.
Yeah.
Of the podcast.
Yeah. For all my edgers out there.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
oh yeah!
yeah,
Oh hey!
It's like it's highway to the danger zone. It's Top Gun without landing the plane, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean?
You almost like that. You pull it back up like
Yeah.
Sting taught me.
It's stopping the microwave when it's on 1. Yeah.
What's an edgelord?
Yo, it's just like an asshole that like tries to be edgy and is just like always playing the edge of like you know fucking human decency and like absolute
The
disgusting
guy, the
shit.
New Zealand shooter. He's
Yeah.
an Edgelord. He's
Yeah.
an Edgelord. If you look
No, I
at
believe he's a mass murderer.
Yeah.
well, no,
exactly.
if you look at his manifesto, it's like full of like memes and like he was like trying to be
like he uses
was
internet
trying,
culture to like
like
make
low
it,
key, he was a loser.
to
He
be
was-
funny.
He was trying to impress his friends on 8chan. First of all, 8chan, really? Come on, dog. I was on 4chan like plotting 9/11 and shit. Like,
Bro, the world's really changing. I feel like
but no, like people who's like, yo, life has no meaning, or like people who like.
no, I get it, but like life's changing just because I feel like Timothy McVeigh would look at that manifesto and be like, memes.
memes.
Yeah.
How dare
Kids
you?
these days.
You don't have any fucking principles.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Just fucking emojis.
Yeah.
don't be. To be fair, remember, basically Timothy McVeigh was an edgelord because he got his whole shtick from the Turner Diaries. So, which was a popular novel written
Yes,
about
he went to Harvard, right? And that's how they found him because the saying is, you want to.
who Timothy McVeigh went to Howard?
No,
not Howard.
Harvard.
Harvard.
Howard.
Sorry,
Timothy-
sorry,
yo, that's a straight to
Sorry,
DVD
sorry.
movie.
Yeah.
That's a straight to
Sorry.
DVD movie, dog.
So-
Timothy McVeigh goes to Howard.
What's this you were saying
And
about
learns
we make
tolerance.
our own movies now?
Wow.
They caught him because in the manifesto he used the proper diction on. I believe the saying is, "You want to eat your cake and have it too," or "have your cake and eat it too" is what you're supposed to say. But most people say it the other way around. And they linked it to a paper he'd written back in school.
Yeah, also because he was mailing shit to newspapers all
him.
the time, so they also
Yeah.
found it off of that. But I mean, and that was back when there was like no internet and shit.
Damn.
Yeah, that's the shit that bugs me out. Like people are really saving like typewritten like.
Yeah, listen.
Shit,
They had to back then. You know what's sad? What they didn't save are Major League Baseball games. Something
That's
like
right,
99% of Major League Baseball games are just lost or have never been recorded.
So watch Yankee Classics whenever it comes on.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And you're like, why are they showing this old shit? Because that's all we got.
That's all we got.
That's all we got.
It's a limited supply. So
Even
you're going to
though-
watch this New York fucking Blue Jays game.
Even though nothing blows your high, like you turn to the Yankee network and you think it's a new game, it's like Yankee Classic. You're
Yeah.
like, is this shit in SD?
Wow.
Oh my fuck it. They're like, hey, look at Ron Guidry throw 10 strikeless
Whoa,
innings. You're like,
unbelievable.
no, I'll pass. I'll pass. My father wasn't even born yet. Like, what is this shit? I'm not watching this.
In this game, Bernie Williams hit a single, a double, and a triple.
They're like, hey, watch Phil Rizzuto's inside the park home run. I'm like, is this in black and white? Just casually watching a Yankee and they beat the shit out of some black guy in the stands. You're like, what? How old is this? They're like, it's 1977. I'm like, what? The black guy was Michael Jackson. I'm like, Jesus Christ.
God.
It was the Bronx. What do you want?
They're like, in this game, Luis Soho hits for the cycle. You're like, who?
Nah. He was a stand-up utility guy.
Yeah.
He was one of the good ones. He was scrappy.
Hey, it's
All
the
right?
seventh inning. You know what we like to do here in the Bronx? And like everyone gets a can of kerosene and burns down the building. I was like, Jesus. I was like, what is this?
It's kerosene at the stadium.
I'm like, why would you give away gas cans? They're like, this has no correlation with the Bronx burning. I'm like, it does. It really started in the epicenter was Yankee Stadium.
No, this is not a long con to gentrify the Bronx. Not at all.
Today for Hypodermic Needle Day, I was like, gee.
Yo, man.
Like, MLB, get your shit together. Don't forget, kids, first 2,000 kids on Sunday get free krills.
Yeah.
The day of, they like, where's the krills? Where's the krills?
Where's the krills?
Down
Where's the krills?
Strawberry's like,
I mean, you want a crew?
As someone that
Doc
has
Gooden's
to
like,
close
stop hogging it.
That's what I'm saying. They
Was
both
the
ended
Yankees
up-
daytop at one point?
Yeah,
Like, we was just
man.
hiring drug addicts?
They were both on both New York teams at the same times. We didn't learn from the Mets.
Yeah.
Like
Like,
think
yo,
about their agents closing that deal. It's just like,
fam. It's like, yo, niggas
All right, you know what it is.
Cocaine is a social drug. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if you bring Daryl over, you got to bring over his buddy Doc. So they could be doing fat rails in the training room.
Oh, man. Niggas became baseball players because they saw the white powder on the field. It was like, oh yeah.
I'm like, yo, that shit goes all around the whole field.
That's the fucking Fort Knox, bro. Listen, we go through the college. It's like, it's a long con. It's Ocean's 15.
Doc got the rosin bag, and he's
He's
just
like,
like,
yo.
yo, he's like,
All right, so here's
he's
this.
like, can I open this up?
We both become pitchers, right? And then we just run out there.
Yo, shout out to the 86 Mets, B. Like, I've never seen a more cocaine-fueled team in my life, B.
They don't even know they won.
They don't even know. They forgot. Keith Hernandez is like, my only lament is I never won a World Series.
They're like, sir,
what is this ring?
If the ring is just a pile of blow.
The ring got like a Coke spoon in it. Like,
Yeah. Wow. I don't want to live in New York where the Mets win the World Series.
no.
Because Met fans are, you know what? Because Met fans are the parallel example of a Knicks fan.
Yeah.
So you know, like, they're not going to shut the fuck up about it.
Never.
The same way one sees, woo, listen, Lord, I've seen what you've done for others. Come on, hook my Knicks up next season.
Please, man, please.
Not for my own personal gratitude, but for this. Imagine this podcast if the Knicks is are good. Imagine this podcast when the Knicks are in the playoffs.
Oh my
and
God.
we doing a live stream watching the playoffs.
Oh my God.
You want that directly in your fucking veins.
Fam, imagine, yo, nigga.
Me and Mero wearing fucking Clyde Frazier suits.
You feel me? We just sitting in the gym room with the TV on, nigga. You know what I'm saying? The shit is monetized, sponsored by mad sponsors, nigga.
Uh-huh.
We just out here wild fucked up, talking wild crazy. Victor's in here drinking agua de diente, nigga.
We in here sponsored by FanDuel. We got Barstool in here.
All that
shit. It's
You know
gonna be
what I'm
great.
saying? We get the Barstool niggas in here just to beat the shit out of them.
Yo, KD, come to the Knicks.
KD, come to the mix. Maybe you could be in the mix of this shit. You know what I'm
Kyrie
saying?
Irving, come to the Knicks.
Holla at your boys.
Kemba Walker, take a pay cut. Come
You know
to the
what I'm
Knicks. I
saying?
know that makes no sense. You're from the Bronx, so I wouldn't do it. But come
All
on.
day. Come on, baby. Sex, money, murder.
You know what it is? We bring it back. Free Pistol Pete.
Bleep that out. I'm trying to get indicted.
Free the homie. Ooh, but no, the Knicks gonna be terrible, and we're still gonna watch that shit.
Yeah. hell
So
yeah.
I watched the Knicks on Tuesday. They lost by 27 points.
Yeah.
Ask me how much of the game I watched.
The entire thing.
To this day.
That's right. Watch the whole thing.
Right.
They were down by 27 points at halftime. Still watch that shit. Ordered ribs and watched it.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It becomes passive viewing at that point.
It's just an extension of me kneeling on rice, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
And you gotta just wait for Mario to do something, and then that validates
Super
the entire
Mario,
thing.
yeah.
That validates the entire experience.
Did you see him punch LeBron's shit?
That's right.
Punch
He said, "Get your shit out of here,
Don't
goat."
ever come to the Mecca.
Oh, you the goat, nigga? Super Mario.
Nigga made curry goat.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here, nigga. Jumped off the block and was just like, "Boop,
Bow.
boop, boop." Fuck out of here.
He's like, "Is this your king?" And someone Jordan was like, "Yeah, block that nigga shit." Then he looked down at his tailor and was like, "Yo, that's the biggest those cuffs could go.
Huh?
Make them shits bigger."
Yo, I seen some dude rollerblading. I want pants like that.
He was like, "You know what? I want a jean that goes right into an Air Force One.
That's right.
Make that shit. I'm releasing it, limited edition on Saturday."
Can you make a full length skirt?
Matter of fact, call these the Easter 11s. He's gonna add a patch of brown and be like, "These are the He's will rise again." These $220 drop on Saturday. They're like, "Sir, you haven't played basketball in like 30 years. You can't keep releasing new sneakers." Just drop them shits.
Drop them shits.
Nigga, Jordan be making up some bullshit backstories for this thing. He's like, "Yeah, this was the day I found $20 in a coat I wore one winter before." So
these are the $20.
just the $20 sevens. I'm like,
So they're $20? No, they're $258.
Everyone's like, "Oh, these are general release. I don't want them." But then he's like, "Oh no, they're limited." And then all of a sudden, everyone's like, "Oh my god, let me get my bots out."
Yo, these are fire.
Oh my god! And then you go on the sneaker app, and at 10:01, it's like sold out. All that stuff is like a size 17.
17.
And you try to buy the size 17, they're like sold out. You thought,
nigga. DeAndre Jordan just copped the last pair.
yoink! Took it right out your cart. Oh, Tim Duncan's out here kickboxing?
Yeah, fam, he's out here wilding. He got the J. Cole starter dreads and shit. Like, he's bugging, bro.
Wow.
Yo, that picture of him with the Venom shirt, I'm like, yo, are you a toddler, nigga?
Do you think he's practicing to come beat us up for our tweets?
I got time now, cuz.
Yeah, we was going hard against him.
He does.
And you know what?
Like,
We wouldn't even hear him coming because he's so energy efficient. You know he drives an electric car.
Yeah.
He's just going to come up behind us like...
You know what I'm saying? Also, he would just, like, pull up barefoot. You know what I'm saying? Or in Birkenstocks.
Is that a Prius? My God, that's Tim Duncan's music.
That's Tim Duncan's music.
My God.
But you know what? By the time like he has to like unfold his body out of a Prius, I think we could be down the block. We could be down the block.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He got rickety knees, so I don't think he'll give chase for one.
His nigga with the crossover shit.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I don't have much energy, but I got enough running energy.
Oh yeah,
I'll run for some shit. If I'm fast.
Woo.
I was walking by the IHOP in Harlem the other day and the door slammed too fast. And nigga, I took off. I was like, nah, I'm too pretty.
Oh yeah, nah. I'll run 28 miles straight, bro, if I'm frightened.
Oh yeah.
I got enough energy for like 5 good solid punches, B. If I don't knock you out with those 5, bro, I got a boogie. Sorry. Or like use my surroundings to like injure you or something.
I think that's why I didn't think us was scary. But then again, like I watch live league videos, so I know real scary. Like I know, oh shit, that forklift was gonna fall on me. Like that kind of shit. I know scary like, girl, leave your phone alone. It's not worth going on those tracks. The train is coming. Now I got hamburger helper on my face.
You see bad people like, oh shit, yo.
Damn.
Yo, Shorty got hit by the train, yo.
Wow.
Yo, she OD dead.
Bing bong. Next stop.
Yo.
Trinity Ave.
Yo, she's
Bing
wild
bong.
dead, my nigga. Yo.
Don't say no, I'm late for work though. That's OD sad, but I'm late for work. I can't have to.
Yo, I'm sorry, my condolences and shit like that. But yo, my phlebotomy job is very important to me.
I would pay extra if the MTA was like realistic about what the delays are and shit. If they was like,
Yo, this train is delayed because we just killed the shit out of some nigga.
Yo, my bad, yo.
That shit.
Listen.
Like look to the right side. I'm gonna move the train back so you can see it. Like look down.
Look.
That shit's crazy, right?
Yo.
Shit coming right into it. That's wild.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's wild.
So yeah, that's what we doing right now. I don't know. Like we gotta scoop the nigga up or some shit.
I mean, I guess, yo.
is that a job at the
right
MTA? Like body grabber?
Body grabber.
Nigga just come through with a shovel.
Who takes the bodies off the tracks? Is it EMS?
I guess if you're doing like fucking community service and shit, niggas be like, yo. Here, put on this safety vest and get busy.
Go ahead, nigga.
They got the fucking pole with the nail in it, like.
You're just poking a dick or some shit like.
Putting in a tote bag. Ramirez, get that hand.
Get that hand over there.
Oh shit.
Ramirez, get that toe.
If you get hit by a train, your family should be able to ride the train for free.
For free.
Actually, that's probably
that's like a punishment.
Yeah,
that's like, yo, here, come down here and get triggered, and also get triggered by the shit being 30 minutes late.
Damn, that is true.
You go down there and see like the little vigil flowers and shit, like slowly falling apart. Like, damn.
Token booth person's like, They're like, come here. They're like, fam, you come over here, and they turn and I'm like,
what's up?
Y'all seen when your father got killed? That shit was OD crazy,
That shit
all
was
right?
crazy, yo.
You want me to open the gate for you?
Yo.
All right.
Yo, remember who's on the front page of the paper?
look at it. I got it hanging up right here.
Right here, boom. Like 2 seconds before he got murked.
Nigga got killed at the A.
Oh, shit.
Yo, I got him the autograph before he died.
Yo, that's crazy,
That's
yo.
wild.
Wow.
How your
B.
mom doing? The MTA sent some flowers and shit.
Yo, y'all niggas cash out?
MTA sent some flowers in the shape of a trade.
Bing bong. Shit. Next stop, the afterlife.
We don't know much about people who die by trains. They don't like. Do they name the station after? No, I guess.
They don't-
I guess you
they
don't want to
don't-
reward someone for jumping in front of a train, right?
That's true. I feel like if you fall in by accident, it's different. If you like are like, yo, I'm suicidal, and you just jump in a train.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I feel like you were looking for attention, maybe.
But how do you jump? Do you jump in front of the train like as the train's leaving the station? Oh, you gotta wait for the train to come through.
Yeah. What's the timing on that?
Oh, you gotta wait
like,
for the
do you
train.
want to get hit by the train or do you want the train to run you over? Like, what's less painless? I feel like.
I think ideally you'd want to be standing in front of the train and have the train come at you at full speed rather than like get hit by a train. Because if you get hit by a train, you're gonna fly forward and you're not necessarily like you can fly forward, hit one of the beams. You might fly forward, land on the third rail or some shit. But like I'm saying this because when the Metro North comes through a station and that shit is not stopping, that shit is doing like I want to say like a good 40.
Yeah.
If you get hit by that train, you are obliterated.
That's
Like,
what I'm saying.
Yeah, you turning into pink.
Like, I'd rather, like
you
that's-
want that.
I'd rather do that.
You
'Cause
want
it's just like, boom,
the
I'm out of
worst-
here.
I think the worst is like you're standing there and they slow the train down enough that the train kind of hits you, and then you just sitting there like my rib, like not even in real serious pain. Like the train hits you and you just fall down like Nigga like stupid. You trying to kill yourself?
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Why don't they just put like the wild airbag in front of trains?
Facts. Like, can't you just do that? Put like a fucking.
Do you know how airbags
pillow?
work?
No.
The loud sound is because they have to inflate so quickly.
Yeah. Nah.
Should just knock you back. It'll kill you.
Wouldn't it just be like? Would it just be like those sumo guys? Like,
just bump into you, man, lately.
It's like a beanbag?
even better, build the whole subway like a bouncy house.
Facts.
I don't know how we keep them inflated, but you know. Nah, you can't have that because niggas gonna stab with the one at Broadway Junction for no reason.
Oh, for no reason. Just to fuck them niggas dead and shit.
Oh, this train ain't going nowhere?
What? Fuck
Now,
that.
no one's going nowhere.
Yeah, what's up?
Whole thing start deflating like. All that's left is the escalator. Woo.
Oh my god.
Also, another way Desus saves the MTA, we get feral cats to pull the trains. If you get like
Genius.
60 cats
Fam.
and they're fed by the mice.
Fam, all you gotta do is build a giant, like, hamster wheel that's like takes the entire length of the tunnel and then just put all the rats that you find in there
In the
there.
hamster wheel?
You know what I'm saying? In the
Generate
hamster
that?
wheel and generate power with that. Bang. And just occasionally throw garbage in there and shit for them to eat. You know what I'm saying? And you good.
I think, and I know this is like a tax to the outer boroughs. If you live on a station where the train starts, you should have to help start the train, like a
Like push the
bobsled.
shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like just be on the platform, like mad old people pushing the doors and
Yeah.
shit, and you hop in like right as the track ends.
Yeah.
No more free, you outer boroughs. I'm tired of you.
Yo, not for
I'm
that.
talking to you, Woodlawn.
It should be people powered, man.
Uh-huh.
Like you start it and then it goes downhill a little bit,
Yeah.
and then when you're on the train, the people, if you go uphill, the people just stick your hands
We
out
gotta
the
change
windows and grab
from now
shit
on.
and push.
Your stop isn't dependent on like where you live, but it depends on gravity. Like if the train comes to a stop where you at, then you can get on and help push again. We're not gonna. If we have kinetic motion, we're not stopping until let you get on.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
This seems
Efficiency.
This seems very classist and ableist, but we'll work out the kinks later.
Also, make every school a charter school.
Oh shit! Charter school. That just sounds expensive.
yeah.
I want to start my own charter school, and we just started like we're gonna do like the Bronx Academy. Oh, it was the BX Academy, right?
Be excellent academy.
We never really, we just gave niggas money, right? Yeah, it works. I mean,
that's what
that's
you gotta
easy.
do. That's what
Sometimes
you
you
gotta
don't need to start a foundation from scratch. There's
Nah.
probably someone doing what you want done already,
and they just need money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Like my organization to provide 8-ball jackets to veterans returning home from Afghanistan.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sure it's out there already.
Fam, I already started my like.
Niggas be in the airport, give them an
saying?
airport. Thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you. You know what I'm saying?
thank you.
I'm over here giving mad Rockaway shit to the homeless. You know what I'm saying? I'm all over, you know what I'm saying, Patterson, just giving out Rockaway jackets. Like, yo, here.
I'm being problematic. I'm like buying Chick-fil-A, but then donating it to like gay charities.
yo.
I'm like,
That's a good way about, that's a good balance.
it's not a good balance. It's not a good balance. It just came out. Chick-fil-A is still donating to anti-gay organizations. Niggas was like, you still gonna eat Chick-fil-A? Niggas was like,
To this day.
it's It's not right.
They're like, yo, bro, you really should stop.
You really should stop, Mero. You should stop going to Chick-fil-A.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Damn. Damn. This nigga not an ally at all.
Yo,
This nigga.
yo, listen, I'm an ally in every other way, people. That chicken be good, man. Yo, somebody else somebody steal the recipe. Look, if you really an ally, steal the recipe and make it somewhere else, and I'll go wherever that chicken is at.
Nah, you like the whole experience though.
Nah,
you like the whole experience.
I like the chicken. There's no experience. You go there, it's like Burger King.
You go there.
You get
as many
food in your
sauces you
mouth.
want. They say your first name.
It's the same shit as McDonald's.
They be like, Kid Mero, and they'll be like, here's your order, and please read Matthew 13:25.
No man, man to man, bandem.
That's why we don't have Chick-fil-A in Jamaica, but it's a perfect fit.
It's a perfect fit.
I'm
like,
sorry.
why isn't that franchise taking over Jamaica right now?
Next Batiman, no.
What if you go to Chick-fil-A and be like, I'm gay? And when they ask you for your name, you'd be like, I'm gay.
I'm sure thousands of people have done that. They're just like, that's cool. Like, I still got it.
Okay, whatever.
It's not the people serving you that don't like. It's the higher ups. Gay people work at Chick-fil-A.
Just saying they don't even care.
She don't give a shit. She's like, I'm gay. She's like, you gay. I'm Puerto Rican.
all
That's
right,
all right.
nigga.
Next.
Like, hello,
Next.
do you want the club, crispy or grill, nigga? Like, hello, let's get it together.
Damn, you
Stupid.
really be in there. All those options just rolled right
Off the tongue. Off the tongue.
I mean, fam, let's be real here.
This nigga be sitting in the food court eating the shit like, hey, Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
I mean, like, in my own defense, like, they pretty much give you that option anyway with the chicken sandwich. Am I bugging?
Yo, he's wild defensive right now. He's wild defensive.
Chick-fil-A like that.
Wow, under pressure.
So I don't know.
Under pressure.
You niggas just get the fuck out of here, B. Get the fuck out of here.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Oh, wow.
Yo, but I heard that the secret was peanut oil and powdered sugar, so maybe I'll try to make this shit at home.
And homophobia.
You know what I'm saying?
What's wrong with you? Oh, Mero loves that chicken.
Yeah.
Loves that chicken. Why can't you eat unproblematic chicken from? Because you've never heard of Crown Fried Chicken donated to anti-gay society.
You know what it is?
You may have heard of Crown Fried Chicken donated to Al Qaeda and ISIS.
I don't know what it is. If it's because I've had Kennedy Fried, I've had Kentucky Fried Chicken, you know what I'm saying? I've had Popeyes. All of them make me pee out my ass. Chick-fil-A does not make me pee out my ass. I don't know if it's like the ingredients or if it's the wholesome Christianity. Oof. You know what I'm saying?
Your man Mero's going there in a pair of Dockers and a button-up shirt. Praise be with you, brother.
And you know the Dockers are pleated.
You know,
You got the wild hump right here.
he's meeting with like four other people of different
It's like you're
ethnicities
dressed
and
in
life
the fucking
experiences,
Hindenburg.
but they've been brought together by the love of Christ. They hold hands and pray over the sauce.
Yo, keep God out of chicken, B. Stop playing with me, bro. You can't fuck with me like that, bro, because the chicken is good, but then your politics are terrible. Stop fucking with me, man. Don't do that to me. I'm a fat nigga, man. You understand what I'm saying? Fat niggas can't control themselves. I need chicken. I need fried chicken, bro. That will never change, B. Until you find me something that's up to par with that, I need that, bro. I won't go in and do it myself. Like, maybe, I don't know, maybe if I send somebody, is that better?
No. You're still getting the money.
I'm still getting money?
You're still getting the money.
What if I finesse them? What if I use a fake credit card?
They're still getting money somehow.
Sam.
Yeah.
What if I just jump over the counter and be like, yo, just take mad shit off the shoot?
You know what the easiest thing to do would be?
Steal it.
Just not go.
Just not go?
Just not go.
Okay, cool. So now, why now? My chicken options are
'cause you know,
limited.
there's no
Thank
other-
you, Chick-fil-A, for
there's
being
no-
fucking stupid.
There's no other chicken place in America. So I don't know what you're going to do.
There's a bunch. There's a whole bunch of them, but they're not as convenient.
Okay.
Man.
Meanwhile, I'm eating my unproblematic 2 for $5 filet of fish. You know what it is.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I can't wait for McDonald's to come out and be like, yo, fucking Ronald McDonald's will watch Chimo and shit.
Nope.
Like,
Nope.
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Nope.
he got the look.
Nah.
He got the look.
I'll say this much.
Ronald just sitting there on a bench waiting for you to sit on his lap with his hand in a questionable position.
Ronald's,
you know what I'm
Ronald's
saying?
been suspiciously quiet lately. When was the
Yeah.
last time you seen him
First
in
of all,
any
they got the Ronald.
He's
He was
hiding.
active in the
He's
90s.
hiding. He's
I know
hiding.
you've seen the commercials.
Yeah, he did the Mike shit. He's becoming a recluse now because the chickens are coming home to roost.
Wrong.
Ronald.
Wrong.
Ronald.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Wrong. You know what's happening? Because the internet culture, everyone wants to be like, men are clowns. Da-da-da's a clown. So as a clown, it's not safe for him to be outside.
Oh, wow.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Okay? My man Ronald's out here unproblematically putting delicious squares of haddock filet in our mouths. Okay? That's the only thing Ronald McDonald is forcing in our mouths. Okay?
No, he wasn't putting his fucking multicolored clown dick in your mouth. Yo, I can't wait for Ronald to come out with the wild scandal.
I hope Ronald McDonald gives you the hands.
I can't wait.
I hope he catches you in the food court and knocks you out in front of Panda
Listen,
Express.
man, with them shoes, nigga, I knocked him man right at them clown shoes.
Oh, wow. How come you didn't have that energy last time someone with clown shoes stepped to you?
Who's someone with clown shoes?
Oh, wow.
I lost.
Think. Clown shoes. Big feet.
Bro.
Come on.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
Wow. Someone get this guy 4 teachers. He's slow as shit. Yo, it's been episode 152.
Listen, I leave the past in the past.
Not
you know
me.
what I'm saying?
Not me.
Petty, are you petty? Are you petty? I'm off that. I'm just looking at my rear view and watch you crash and burn. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go.
Yeah, hold that.
Chris Stats from Sling, so bad I might know you, bitch.
Hey.
Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nano Durando, go to Nando's. They have chicken.
Oh, they do?
They do have chicken.
Fried chicken?
Yeah, go get the peri sauce.
Chicken sandwich?
Go to one in Jersey. I don't know, nigga.
Okay,
I'm not
Nando's.
the Nando's guy.
Nando's in Jersey.
1994 in Nueva York. Mikel going off. Yeah, you gotta listen. You're in Jersey. You gotta enjoy all the cuisine of Jersey.
Yeah.
Next time you're in Patterson, go to Wing Saha. It's and that's for the wings fried hard. You gotta yell through the bulletproof glass.
Yeah.
Shit's going. If you
My
go,
niggas know. Shout out to Six Happiness.
watch out when you go though, because niggas will try to steal your car while it's running at the red light.
Oh, yeah, of
So,
course.
Watch out for that. Bring that thing.
100%.
The Juve boss, MC Lugunga P. Put up for 40, which is Shorty. It can talk me in the Uber pool because I don't know you, nigga.
Nah.
And I got Uber Diamond. Okay, I don't know what that
Oh,
means, but I just
shit.
wanted to flex on y'all niggas. Actually,
One time.
Actually, Uber Diamond means like you just be in Ubers way too much, and
Is
you
that
take
what it
your because you get it per mile.
What is the perk?
One perk.
Okay.
Now it's gonna turn to an ad for Uber Diamond. If your driver cancels, you get no fee.
Oh.
Okay, you got that.
yeah.
You get preferred rides, and they lock in the amount your Uber is. So if they tell you the ride's gonna be $45, even if you get stuck in traffic, your ride is $45.
Oh, nice.
And you get. They say something about preferred drivers, which I don't know about the rest of y'all. That means Uber knows who the good drivers are and who the bad drivers are, and that's why they're sending your friend Mufasa, whose car smells like sardines, and you're like, he smells like sardines. Why did I get him again? And I'm Uber Diamond, and I'm getting the guy that's like, would you like Winter Fresh? I'm like,
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, would you like is water sparkling or still?
In Uber Diamond, they don't offer you a charger for your phone. They just offer you a brand new iPhone.
Oh,
They're
shit.
like, oh shit, your memory seems full. Here you go.
I'm in.
Hey, it's all good. The original plus one guy plus one, so don't make a fuss. And DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Happy Purim. Happy Purim. I like Purim because it looks like you're saying pum pum, but it's not pum pum.
Yeah. You Purim bring life.
Your type Purim bring life. Nigga just in the clown outfit, like with the big fake dills. Jamaican avocado toast. That's right. Simple avocado on some bread, and now I'm $21. Yeah. Young Prodigals Mufasa. Young Chakuni without the coonery. Eke Chili Mon, left-handed root for Yankees. Gail okay. 3 Phone Jones. DJ Machina. J Chuckle Stanley Hup. The Human Dr. Bonds. Dilute. Dino the Trapio. Mr. 240 like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite. AKA you're listening to Washed FM. And now, you know, every now and then, you know, people say, Jesus, I think the things that you are playing are too regional. So I'm gonna get something that slaps
Okay.
from all, no matter what part of the country.
Okay.
Do you remember the Scarecrows?
Oh, wow.
Do you remember?
When I see an elephant fly.
What you say, boy?
I said when I see an elephant fly.
Just a little racism, casually from Dumbo.
Heard a diamond ring.
Ah.
I see the polka dot ring.
I'm
grow and I'm black and I'm old, do shuck and jive.
I never heard the N-word, but the first time I saw that, I was like, those birds are niggers. Right away. I turned to like the wild 60-year-old Italian, like, look at these nigger birds. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. This used to be a nice cartoon. Yeah, get him out of here. Hey, the Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hash from the Bronx Neon, Ray and Nephew's nephew. That's right. Burn Jason Sudeikis' chest. Yeah. The Moreno you cannot contain. The human meme. Where did Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Butcrust, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck on Decadence, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Fetch. All moist. Kind of stinks, but it's kind of hot at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Mama Gambi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. Remember Shorty Riviera and her butthole stunk?
Yeah. She was funky.
That's mad random, but yeah. Yo, how your butthole stink, Mom?
You on a job.
Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber.
Yo.
The juice of press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We make 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change, give me big money one. Then I'm gonna waste on moon boots to get you poor niggas tight.
Oh, you tight? You mad?
Man, I just be in my house wearing the moon boots for no reason, just knowing that I got Philly Race fan 7176 tight. Only anthem I salute is Dipset. That's right. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left, man, Marv. True with the holy cow. This is top pounds. All I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. David Yerman. These expensive, these are red bottles, these are bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, palm me charger. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Syasa. Shout out to the 11791. You know what it is. Yeah. Got the P tickets only. AK Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Yeah. You man dead IDs is more than sheriff. Might steal a walk today. It's chopping that street, these bad breezes like I'm easy. Please believe in the black Asian, crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mrs. Marina, Mess Marina with fresh Marina and a cold demeanor. AKA the sheep mask killer. No one could be iller. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
AKA, yo, listen, man. It's episode 152.
I got one left.
You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoy yourself. Nigga.
Listen, man.
Enjoy yourself, you know what I'm saying?
We got the problematic bae.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy.
You know, it's not a secret family if you know about them.
If you know about them, you maintain semi-contact a little bit sometimes.
And call me the human Jerry Curl because you see the drip.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. You see it. Follow the drip. Up next.
Follow it. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy.
For all my Latino listeners.
You know what I'm saying?
This is the only part of the AK that transmitted on the SAP network.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We getting shmoney now. You know what I'm saying?
I mean? If you want, while you're watching the video, mad ads for Goya gonna come on.
That's right.
So just go with it.
Get ready, stupid. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking baby Maltese, and keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. A.k.a. I'm no fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list. I was the third hyena in Lion King. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga car keys out his fucking pockets, B. Stop playing with me. A.k.a. CC Dab back here. A.k.a. get into the shmoney and the schmuck as your boy Goldman Schmacked. You know what I'm saying? Catch me playing Apex Legends with some fucking white kids calling me the N-word. A.k.a. I bought the Knicks. Yes, the Knicks, the franchise. So my kids could play out the rest of the season, you know what I'm saying? And sharpen their skills while we wait on Zion's arrival.
I'm
you know
be
why?
mad tight in
you
the stands. I'll be like,
yeah.
Is that Mero Jr. running the point?
Yeah.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
That's
right.
This is ridiculous.
Because you know who the fuck I am. The motherfucking dad of the year.
They still got me on the Jumbotron. I'm like, yeah.
Hey.
It's me and Ben Stiller.
What's up? What's up?
I guess it's okay.
Hey.
Oh, shit. The door. Oh, Azalea hit a 3. Oh, shit. Yeah. She got the wild, like, with the wild compression sleeve. She's like, that fucking right. I'm like,
yeah. Nigga, what up?
I'm mad drunk on my butt. And I open up,
Yeah, get him.
I jump in the chest to chest, like, yeah. What's up?
I'm like, yo, she got the ill vertigo for a 2-year-old.
They gotta hold her back, so it was like, why don't you sit down, girl? She's like, what?
What?
Who said that?
Who said that? Yo,
Who said that?
yo, fuck you and your wife.
You hate to see this. Azalea Martinez heading into the stands again. The malice of the God. She did that on Monday.
AKA Big Smack B, yo boy. AKA Tineo Marathon. AKA Dickie, you baby, told me you know coming this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. That's it, okay? AKA David Trisdale. You know what I'm saying? Take that for that, nigga. Pow pow. AKA Barlow's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. You know what I'm saying? AKA that Dominican diamond daddy done da da. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money in that. It'll make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask how Heather's doing. Jared, you like your little Best Buy cashier job, Jacob, huh? You know what I'm saying? They put the fucking HDMI cable at Division 2, which is a great game, by the way, in the bag and keep it moving. Hashtag ad. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mommy. I'm so nasty. I'll buy your girlfriend's pinky toe on stage in front of you, nigga. I don't care. I got Chelsea boots. Hook off. I dare you, stupid. I broke all the rules. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lighten Out Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and confide. You know what I'm saying? And if you pull up with fucking no type of fucking weed to contribute or no Dutch or no nothing, you trying to smoke, nigga?
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. AKA Final Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA fucking Tom Brady. You got my balls type deflated. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. Consensually. You know what I'm saying?
Consensual gang over here.
You know what I'm saying? Consensual gang all day. You know what I mean? We repping. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. First nigga to tap out on live. You heard me? AKA Zeniel Bettyfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Bring that strawberry shisha over. You know what I'm saying? That's just lit. AKA Ben Boston.
Thump.
My hands are gifted. I'll replace your penis with a hookah hose so you can actually smoke a dick when I use it as a disrespectful phrase. You coward. You know what I'm saying? Candy, get the yams. AKA I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Sandman. AKA Rico Sabrosa. AKA Lucius Lioness. Nigga, man, come on. Listen, man. I ain't give you no herpes, baby. I love you, man. Why would I have herpes, man? I was in Hustle and Flow. I won an Oscar with a perm, man. Come on, man. AKA Baby New for 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown shutting the Carter down. AKA live from the White Castle on East Tremont, continuing the Tremont tour, performing for Fremont Liquor. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Sucking and Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Lean. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to get vaporized by the train, like you were saying. Like I'm not trying to get like fall in and just get like mangled.
I think you owe it to every New Yorker. You gotta. If you're gonna delay the train, just
go out like a G.
Out.
You know what I'm saying? Word up. You know what I'm saying? And listen, mate, we're gonna take a quick pause and a beat. Because there's only 2 rock stars left, homie. It's the Bodega Boys. You see the fucking imprints over there. You see the 2 of us here. I am one of them. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a sharp right bag of weed up in my butt. You know what I'm saying? AKA my Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? Never. AKA I chilling at the crib off edibles, browsing tech stocks. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! Good investment. If you see me at Target with my eyes redder than the USSR, blowing weed smoke into a floor model vacuum, approach me like a motherfucker earthside mammal, nigga, I may react erratically. You know what I'm saying? And paw your head off. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me for no fucking. First of all, don't be disrespectful like y'all was to my man Andy Cohen at the bar the other night. I ain't gonna say no more. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's birthday party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and pee on myself in your driveway. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. Here's my Uber. Peace out. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite Sankar rapper. He's high off Swiffer juice and Shasta Cola right now. About to drop some whack shit on SoundCloud.
You said Shasta Cola?
Yeah.
Shasta Cola. Yo, shout out to all my Jehovah's Witnesses that remember when they used to serve that at the convention.
You know what I'm saying? The only call accepted by God, a.k.a. llegó el hijo de FIFA. Hasan tiene una fucking pita, coño, que llegó el hijo de FIFA. Tú sabes que es lo que conmigo. Yo no le paro nada. No me caiga atrás que te va a quedar loco. Tú sabes que es lo que pasa.
Llegó tu papá, el jefe, la para, la grasa, en la tarima representando mi fucking bandera. Y tú en fila afuera aguantando frío que coñema. Shout out Showtime en la casa, shout out Cash Shop, you know what I'm saying, los número 1. Shout out siempre a Locksmith. Si usted tiene cuarto, quédate en su fucking casa con tu perro lambiéndose los granos, mamá huevo. Shout out DJ Hasan y Cene que pone la nota. Shout out Basti, shout out Jubilee, shout out Dímelo, shout out Broquete el Capitán, shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón, coño, no me quité. ¡Ya! You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. Episode 152. Shout out to Milk Studios, letting us rock at the Jam Room. Shout out to Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Keeping the lights on, you know what I mean? Shout out to Showtime, you know.
Number one show late night every Thursday.
Every Thursday, number one show on late night. Anyone else says they're not, they're fucking liars.
They're liars.
Okay? Tell pull up.
You know what I'm saying?
Pull up.
You know what I'm saying?
Only late night show that will fight you.
You feel me?
Okay? It's showtime. Nigga, you okay? If you see Trevor Noah on the subway station, he's gonna be like, hello. You run up on me the wrong way? Nigga, woo! Okay?
You trying to hook off?
What's up? Why you approaching so close?
Hold that.
Okay?
All you gonna hear is, you know what I'm saying?
I had a moment the other day. I was upset because someone was taking mad long in the subway in front of me. Buying their Metro card. And then it dawned on me, I was in the subway to buy the Metro card because my face was on it. And I need to chill. And that's called growth.
That's right.
All right.
Peace.
Episode 152. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?